So if you're looking for a messenger style bag that's lightweight and durable, also stylish, this bag may be the one for you. Manfrotto has put a lot of thought into the design of this bag. Let's take a look at all of its great features. Okay, so first let's take a look at how much gear you can put inside this messenger bag. Well, it's designed to hold a compact digital SLR camera or a mirrorless camera system with up to 3 lenses and an accessory like a flash. Here we have an A9 with a 24 to 105 millimeter lens attached to the camera body. We have a 16 to 35 millimeter f4. We have a Sony flash. And on the other side, we have a 70 to 200 f4. But not only can you fit all this camera gear inside this bag, you can also bring along your laptop. Here we have a 13-inch MacBook Pro. When it comes to protecting your camera gear, Manfrotto has you covered. Now, the bag has a water repellent coating applied to the fabric. This is going to keep water from entering into the bag, but it's also going to protect your gear from any other type of element. So it's great for carrying around in an urbanscape or going around on a hike. But if you need more protection, Manfrotto does provide you with a slip-over rain cover. Now, the slip-over rain cover is going to have a silver side that's reflective, so this is going to reflect UV rays and keep your gear protected from the heat. In addition to the bag being water repellent, you also have padding all around the camera bag. The bag is only available in black, but it has like this black and red accents. This is a traditional Manfrotto color scheme. Inside the camera bag, you have removable inserts that are well padded, lightweight, can be adjusted to fit your needs. You can even adjust it to fit a small drone like a Mavic. And you have really nice pull tabs that make it easy to access your camera gear. Since this is a medium-sized messenger bag, you might be thinking to yourself, you can't carry around the tripod. Well, remember, this is a Manfrotto bag. They manufacture tripods. They're going to want you to be able to carry around your travel-sized tripod with your camera at all times. So if you look underneath the flap of this Bumblebee M-10 messenger bag, you're going to find these red straps. These straps are going to allow you to connect your tripod or your monopod to your camera bag and safely carry it wherever you go. The bag features 2 locking connectors. But if you want quicker access, you can use the Velcro that's attached underneath the lid of the flap. But if you need to be a little bit more inconspicuous and you don't like the noise that it makes, you do have Velcro silencers that will keep you from making any noise when opening and closing your camera bag. Remember, this bag can be used on either shoulder. You have very quick access to your gear. And this is really great for carrying it around town. Now, if you're going to be traveling and in the airport, the bag also features a trolley strap. This is going to allow you to attach this to your suitcase when you're on the move. Manfrotto provides a removable shoulder pad. This makes it more comfortable when carrying around a lot of gear. Also, the back of the bag has airflow chambers. This is going to make it a lot more comfortable carrying the bag outside when the bag is set on your back. A big EasyGrip buckle allows you to adjust the length of the strap in a second. This allows you to either bring it to your back or to the side. And remember, the top of the bag, there's a zipper with really nice pull tabs that allows you to access your gear from the top without having to open up the flap. Another great feature is that this bag is easy to carry around. Now, it can be used as a traditional messenger bag with the bag sitting at your side, but it has a locking strap to keep it attached to your back for if you're hiking and you don't want the bag to swing around. So I found this bag to be extremely comfortable. It fit everything that I needed to work with for a day of shooting. If you want more information, click on this link below. If you like this video, hit the like button underneath. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And remember, if you're in the Miami area, come by, say hello at the Digital Gadget showroom. Adam here, keep on shooting. I'll catch you in the next video.